What is the reality behind the expectations that investors have while investing in equity, and how an investor can avoid disappointment while investing in equity? Industry expert Amrita has joined us today to elaborate on this now.
Like if equity gives you 12% return for a period of 12 years, you expect 12% return every year. Please cut down your expectation. It is not going to happen in equity at all. 1 year return can be 19%. Next year return can be minus 24%. Next third year return can be 28%. Overall, you can see that there are two occasions where it gave negative returns, but overall you made a 12% return. That is what the actual data is also showing. But what happens is that when you most of the investors, when they see a minus 24% return, they get out of equity, they get into some traditional fixed income which is giving 7% return. Overall they end up making 5% return, which is much lesser than the inflation levels of our country. So but if you are into asset allocation, that you will not see a minus 24% fall, you will see a lesser percent fall. You might not get a 12% return, you'll get a 10% return, which is much better than 5% return. If you're into an SIP, STP, your full amount is not getting exposed all. Only a fraction of the amount is getting exposed to a 24% fall. So what happens is that when a small amount gets exposed to a fall, and even in SIP and STP, the fall is lesser because you are investing in tranches. So the fall is lesser, the amount is lesser, the recovery is faster, the duration of recovery is faster. So you don't feel the pain of a fall. It gives you a reasonable investing experience.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.